Hey everybody, Varun here from 𝗙𝗿𝗀𝗀. Guys, welcome back to another video. This video we are going to look at the second task of the writing module, writing essay. One of the tasks which is easy, but a lot of students are concerned and worried about this. It's pretty easy if you follow the basics, if you don't complicate it. If you overthink and complicate and try to do a lot of things, this can be a tedious task, this can be a difficult one. What I'm going to discuss in this video, what the task is about, how is it marked, what is expected out of you, a simple template which you can follow in any essay type you get, and finally some do's and don'ts. So without wasting much time, let's get into the video, and I'll share my screen, get you everything you need to crack this task in the easiest manner possible. Alright guys, as I've told you, what happens in this task, you'll be given any essay topic or essay prompt on your screen. You have to write a 200 to 300 words essay within 20 minutes. This task will contribute towards your writing module and you will get 1 or 2 essays in your test. Most probably you'll only have 1. This task is evaluated or marked on 7 different parameters. The very first is, this is something your screen is going to look like. These are your instructions. This is your essay topic, your timer sometimes is over here as well, your word counter, and this is where you have to type in your answer. Now, there are 7 parameters, as I've told you, on which this task will be marked. I will be telling you in simple words, in simple language, that what you need to take care of in order to get full points in every criteria or parameter. You get 3 points for content. To get 3 on 3, what you need to do, you need to make sure you address all the things you have been asked in the essay topic. Sometimes you have only 1 statement essay topic. Sometimes you have 2 statement essay topics. Sometimes you have 3 statement essay topics. So you need to make sure you are addressing everything what is being asked in the essay. Another thing what you can do in order to satisfy this requirement is to make sure you include all keywords from the essay topic. For example, your essay topic is recycling is helpful for nature. We all should recycle plastic. What do you think? So you need to make sure you include the first sentence or keywords from first sentence and keywords from the second sentence as well in your answer. If you include all keywords from the essay topic in your answer, I'll show you how you are going to get full points in content. For your form, you need to make sure you write between 200 to 300 words. If you write between 200 and 300 words, you get 2 on 2. If you write between 120 and 199 words or 300 and 380 words, you're getting 1 by 2. If you write less than 120 words or more than 380 words, you get 0 over here. And 0 in form means no further scoring, you'll get 0 everywhere. For grammar, it's pretty simple. You get 2 points for grammar. If there are no grammatical errors, you get 2 on 2. If there's 1 grammar error, 1 on 2. And if there's more than 1 grammar mistake, 0 by 2. Spelling, 2 by 2 for an essay where there are no spelling errors, 1 by 2 if there's 1 spelling error, more than 1 spelling mistake, 0 here. For vocabulary, you need to make sure you use academic words. You do not use any kind of short forms. For development, structure, and coherence, you need to make sure you have around 4 to 5 paragraphs and you use connectors. Linguistic range is something of your vocabulary that you use different words. Avoid too much repetition of words and it will be all good. All you need to be concerned about is answering all aspects of the essay, writing between 200 to 300 words and making sure there are no grammar and spelling errors. Because vocabulary development and linguistic range will be covered by the topic and the template I'm going to provide you, right? What's the ideal word limit? A lot of students do ask me. Ideal word limit I'll recommend is to go around 260 to 270 words if your typing speed is good. If you're not that great with typing, you can even write 230 to 240 words, but make sure your spellings are correct. There's no point of writing 290 words with a lot of spelling errors, right? Now, as I've told you, you have to write between 200 to 300 words, ideally around 250 to 270 words. You can have any essay type, agree, disagree, problem, solution, discussion. Don't stress about it. The template I'm going to give you, follow that. You have 20 minutes, 30 seconds, understand what the question is, 15 to 17 minutes to write, and at least 2 to 3 minutes to proofread. This is very important. Even if you feel you have written everything perfectly, come on, read, keep on reading it again and again, because this task has got 20 minutes and there's no rollover time. Means if you finish this in 17 minutes, you won't get extra 3 minutes in the next task. It's better you use completely 20 minutes and proofread again and again. Don't focus too much on ideas, just focus on the template and satisfy the marking criteria. What is the marking criteria? Include all keywords from essay topic, write around 250 to 70 words, and make sure there are no spelling and grammar errors. And don't work hard, play smart, use the template. What's the template? Topic. The main topic has become an integral part of the rising debate in the present world. While proponents of the argument are in favor, however, the opponents are completely against the relevance of topic again. So you can choose few keywords from the topic here, few keywords from the essay topic here. In my opinion, few keywords from the essay topic has more positive impacts than negatives. To commence with, there are a number of arguments in favor of my belief. This whole is going to go same in every essay. Don't worry, there's nothing called plagiarism and all in PT. Even if you get two essays in your test, you can use the same essay template. The most prominent one is just write one advantage here. According to the research conducted by Western Sydney University, just write more than 90% are in favor of the above. Secondly, one more advantage. I'll give you an example as well. On the other hand, critics may point out that one of the most significant disadvantages of the essay topic is one disadvantage. For instance, a survey conducted in the United States reveals that more than 80% of the participants were against the topic, whatever it is. To conclude, even when there are a lot of demerits associated with the topic, the advantages outweigh the disadvantages, and topic has become a crucial part of our life. Therefore, the efficient use of topic should be promoted, however, its misuse should be condemned. This template might sound a bit difficult to you, but I'll show you an example. So this is our essay topic. With the increased traffic in the cities, the use of public transport increasing day by day. What are the advantages and disadvantages of public transport? So what are keywords? Public transport, increased traffic in the cities, use of public transport increasing day by day. So these keywords I want you to include in your essay. I want you to include traffic in the cities, use of public transport, public transport. The topic, use of public transport, has become an integral part of the rising debate in the present world. While proponents of the arguments are in favor, however, the opponents are completely against the relevance of public transport. In my opinion, public transport has more positive impacts than negatives in the group. To commence with, there are a number of arguments in favor of my belief. The most prominent one is that one advantage here. Public transport such as bus and train are cheaper and convenient to travel. According to the research conducted by Western Sydney University, more than 70% of the users were in favor of the benefits provided by public transport. So we have covered this keyword, we have covered this keyword as well. Secondly, public transport reduces harmful gas emission and is safe to travel to world. On the other hand, critics may point out that one of the most significant disadvantages of using public transport is that it is overcrowded and unhygienic, which can result in a number of serious consequences. What you can do is you can even write it this way. One of the most significant disadvantages of increased traffic in the city, something like that, right? Just to include this keyword. But even if you don't include this keyword and have got this keyword, the main keyword, you're fine. For instance, a survey conducted in the United States, as should be capital here, reveals that 90% of the commuters complained regarding the high waiting times and uncomfortable experience. To conclude, even when there are a lot of demerits associated with the use of public transport, the advantages outweigh the disadvantages, and it has become a crucial part of our life. Therefore, efficient use of buses and trains should be promoted. Instead of public transport, I've just written buses and trains. You can write public transport as well. However, excessive and misuse should be condemned. Now, this is how you have to write an essay. As I've told you in the beginning, that try to include all the keywords, all the main keywords. We have got public transport. We have not got increasing day by day because it's not a very important keyword, but yes, if you feel like, you can add this as well. And then we have got public transport from here as well. You could have included increased traffic in the cities as well. For example, you could have written increasing use of public transport due to increased traffic has become an integral part of the rising debate. You could have written that as well. But sometimes it will not be possible for you to include each and every keyword from the essay topic in your answer. Why? Because sometimes the essay topics are too lengthy. In that case, if you include the main keywords, you're fine. Now, this might sound a bit easy to you that yes, this guy has just given a template. Will this even work? Using the same template, I've got 90 10 times. We have got more than 30,000 students in the last 4 years who have got their desired scores. So it works. It is working currently as well. You don't really need to stress. What you need to do, memorize the essay template. Make sure you include main and, if possible, all keywords from the essay topic in your answer, and do not focus too much on ideas, right? That is all you need to follow. Write around 250, 260, maximum 270 words, and make sure there are no spelling errors and grammar errors. First 30 seconds, read the essay topic and understand. Next 15 to 17 minutes, write, and make sure you proofread again and again and again. You need to satisfy the marking criteria. A lot of students will ask that the essay template or the essay doesn't really make any sense. Will it even work? There's no fixed answer. There's no human involvement. A computer, a machine is going to check your answer. Let's say the same essay topic is given to 1,000 different students. Every student is going to have a different answer. So there's no fixed answer. What all the students will have in common are the keywords related to the essay topic. And that is what we have included in an essay template, which will help you get full scores. If you want to practice using this template, you can just register on languageacademy.com.au or download the free LA PTE exam practice app. Practice, get your score, get your feedback, see how you're doing and what mistakes you're making. That's it from this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it was, do like, share, and subscribe. If you need any help, you can contact us on one of these numbers. We have got our branches in Australia, in India, and we do provide online classes all over the world. If you need any help, get in touch. And that's it. Make sure you register on languageacademy.com.au, practice. And if you want me to cover any other topic, let me know in the comment section and I'll try my best to help you out. Varun from Language Academy. I'll see you very soon. Till then, take care and stay safe.